Do you fall into that category where people say, "Bro, you're not fat, not skinny either, you look fine"? But when you stand in front of the mirror, you see a belly sticking out, soft arms, and almost no visible muscle? That "you look fine" situation actually has a name, and it's called skinny fat. And today, I'm going to show you how I personally fix this problem, why it's not just about looks but what's happening inside your body, and most importantly, the exact step-by-step process to fix it. Make sure you stick till the end, because I'll also reveal a very common mistake people make while trying to fix skinny fat, and it actually makes things worse. Let's first understand what skinny fat really is. Skinny fat is a condition where your body weight looks normal. Even your BMI might seem fine, but your body composition is completely off. That means you have higher body fat and very low muscle mass. Think of it like this. There are two people, both weighing 65 kilograms. One person has more muscle and less fat, while the other has less muscle and more fat. On the scale, they look the same, but in reality, one is fit and the other is skinny fat. So why does this happen? First, doing only cardio without any weight training. Running or cycling might help you lose weight, but it won't build muscle. Second, not eating enough protein. If your diet lacks protein, your body is more likely to store fat instead of building muscle. Third, a sedentary lifestyle. Sitting all day signals your body that it doesn't need muscle, so it slowly breaks it down. Now here's the important part. Skinny fat is not just about looks, it actually affects your health from the inside. When you have less muscle, your metabolism slows down. You have to lose fat and build muscle at the same time. Most people get this wrong. They either just diet and lose weight, or they go to the gym without any proper plan. Neither works properly on its own. The best approach is called body recomposition. This means losing fat and building muscle at the same time. And yes, it's absolutely possible, especially if you're a beginner or skinny fat. There are three key things you need to focus on. First, resistance training. That means weight training or bodyweight exercises that actually challenge your muscles. Second, a high-protein diet. Protein is what your body uses to build and repair muscle. Third, maintaining a proper calorie balance. Don't eat too much, and don't eat too little. Staying around your maintenance calories works best. Now let's talk about the workout plan. Train 3 to 4 days per week, focusing on compound exercises. These are movements that target multiple muscle groups at once and give you the best results. Focus on exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench press or push-ups, rows, and overhead press. For each exercise, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. And don't forget this, rest is part of the process. Your muscles don't grow in the gym, they grow when you recover. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep is extremely important. Now let's talk about diet, because this is where most of your results come from. Protein should be your top priority. You need around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Now here's what you should avoid. Ultra-processed foods, sugary drinks, refined flour-based foods, and so-called diet biscuits. A simple rule is this: if something comes in a packet with a long ingredient list, it's probably not helping your goal. So here's the summary. Skinny fat is not just about appearance. It's a condition that affects your body composition, metabolism, hormones, and long-term health. To fix it, you need balance, resistance training, high protein intake, and proper calorie control. This is not something that changes overnight. For me, it took around 3 to 4 months to start seeing noticeable results. But if you stay consistent, results will come. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me where you are in your skinny fat journey.